Welcome back to It's Bro Time. So right now I'm doing a mallard, well not grind, but mallard hunting. And so this is gonna be my loadout. I grab always my top guns. I always bring the Virant 22, because if there's any far shots, I bring the Calcate 12 gauge, and then I also bring this Stanberg 10 gauge. And then I'll get the bird shot for them. And then just equip them. My gun's ready. Oh, the ducks are ready. Yeah, I tried to shot that, but whatever. Also, if you're gonna do any ducks or geese or whatever you're doing, so you want to clear room inventory, you get lures. Then you would buy the DLC with the fox collar. And then can we use a mallard? Just wait here. I like to use this because what the heck? Weird. But the hunting pressure if you're duck hunting does not matter. Like this entire screen is just pink. It's probably super bright. It's pink. So the hunting pressure does not matter to ducks. Ducks just don't care. I don't know how this zone is still even there, but it is. So we got some coming in. I'm still learning with my with my actual shooting. So I have a female. Okay, I just found a female. Start to come in soon, hopefully. Well, if you're gonna grind for it's not a great one duck, but if you want to get a diamond mallard, then you would, or you need a diamond mallard, you would wait for a diamond mallard. You need target practice, then you would come after him. I mean that iron sight sucks. Like I said, I'm not very good, so. Yeah, it's glitching out. Huh. Yeah, so sometimes they'll glitch out, and then if you shoot at them, if you actually hit them, it just doesn't count it. Or maybe I'm just bad at shooting ducks. I don't know. Either way, I missed, so. What am I going to do about it? Maybe I should do better. Maybe I can do better, but. Okay, got any ducks want to come in? The call definitely works better than a mouse call. It's automatic. You don't have to keep doing it. And then I like to use. And I know I'm probably going to get roasted for using the vintage binoculars, but in my opinion, I don't see the point of using the nice ones. I like these. They look cool. And I just always use them. I just never changed them. I have plenty of money to do it. 217,920. Plenty of money to buy them, but I just don't. I like using the original binoculars because I like to see an open area, not like the lines in it. Because I just like to see an open area like this, not confined to one spot. Sounds like we got some ducks coming in. Where are they at? Some, yeah, there. Look like, no, that's their duck. ducks are cool. Look, that's pretty cool. Here. Not a female, really. It's might have been though. It's just gonna be fun trying to see what I'm gonna hit with this. Wait, do I shoot at? But Godwall. No, yours and two. It's a Drake Mallard. Well, bleached out, like I said, but there's that female. I need target practice, so I'm just gonna shoot this and hopefully hit this time. Not miss. Hopefully, that's the word. Circling coming in. Turn. There we are. Did I? It's glitching, God. I probably shouldn't be duck hunting because I'm such bad at shot, but I don't know. I need to work on my shots. Maybe I'm better at Drake ducks. Also, a Drake is a male mallard duck. A Drake is this duck. That's a Drake. And a hen is the two ducks I missed at. They're like brown, and a Drake's normally more colorful. Like this is the Drake mallard. They're very colorful, green heads, blue in the back, brown chests. They're very colorful compared to a female duck. So, please female, finally. Drake with two hens with it. Okay. Oh, we got now another. Is this the one I missed? Is this the exact same duck that I missed 2 times with? It's a turf duck. Or a widgeon. No, yeah, widgeon. I should watch it over here because this is where they're gonna land at. Why are they landing? I don't recall for them. That's weird. I don't have a call for them. I only have a call for mallards. See? Oh, come on. I feel bad for this, but try and get as far away from here as you can. I feel bad for that, but I just didn't see him though. I feel bad. God, sure. I do feel bad for that though, because I should have shot him in the air. I just didn't have time to get prepared. Yes, Trigger? What's going on? We got some. Hey, little Twigger. How's it going, buddy? I think Trigger likes ducks. He's a... I have an idea. Go on for it. See if you can find a moose. I just want to see what will happen. How far away it's gonna be. Because there is 0 moose on this island. Yeah, island. I'm on an island. The only way you can get to it is from right here. This is the only way. Oh. And right here. But yeah. Only 2 ways you can get to the island is from here. This area right here. Going this way. And from here. I haven't unlocked this yet because I only just came down here to hunt ducks. Because this is like a hot spot for them, but I just went to a hot spot, so. Okay, so come on, mallards, where you at? Are you mad? Nope, you're a turf duck. Yep. They're really cool ducks, turf duck. I think they should have redheads and pintails. Pintails and redheads are very cool ducks. Pintail has like a long tail. I'll add it in the video, so you guys can see it. Pintail looks like, and what redhead looks like. Okay, come on, mallards. And I'm looking for a diamond mallard. I haven't shot a diamond mallard yet, but I've shot a decent amount of mallards. Not 150 or something, but I've shot like 30 out of this blind already. 30 different mallards, 4 different, maybe 40. Yeah, I think 40. Estimate, not no exact answer, but I think it's 40. I think 40 was the good guess, because I normally shoot a decent amount out of here and not like a, I don't shoot like, oh, the duck, gun ready. I don't just go pew pew, bang 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 bang. Oh shoot, 30 ducks down. Like, not like that. You have to actually wait for the ducks. You're Asian too. Where's Trigger at? This poor guy's just looking around for anything. Turf ducks. Or what do you keep calling? I don't have them not called, do I? I think I did. Yeah. Weird. Any other mallards? Mallards are out today. I'm gonna get like 10 mallards. Shoot, get a shot on 10 mallards. I'm gonna shot on 5. And like 4 of them were females. And 2 of them, no. And 3 of them I missed. Ugh. Oh. Where are you at? Also, if you play Hunter Call of the Wild and you're a beginner, even if you want to get a diamond duck fast, well, not fast, but if you want to get a diamond duck, here's some tips. You buy like 30 of these decoys, like I have here, all around, and you buy the electric color for like TLC for like $6. Then ducks will come, I assure you. I can almost guarantee that ducks will come. Like, look. And if you come down here, or you don't even have to come down here, you can just go, not anywhere on the map, but a lot of places on the map, you can see and shoot ducks. Dang, these ducks, yeah, ducks would like to come down here. It's not like a male, it's not like a drake. Where are you at? You're off that way. Where are you? Oh. Oh. Feel bad for that, but as long as it's squeaking out all the ducks shotgun does, so we're good. Sorry, little ducky. The ducks is all I see. We got any more? I'll have to pick it up while I wait. What's this actually? No battle lures or nothing. If you get the consecutive harvest bonus, it goes up decent. Like maybe 400. If you shoot like a diamond duck, it's like 500, maybe. With all the consecutive harvest bonuses filled in this 500. But with none, like 400 or 350. Where? I finally got a duck. Oh, come on, it's a turf duck. At this point, I'm making a turf duck as well. Huh. Another female one? Give me some males. I need to stop shooting the females. Only because, oh my, that's Rebecca. Yep. I don't know my one's out of here, but might as well just try for some turf duck. Okay, looks like we got some blocks coming in. Yeah, I'm only gonna shoot some drakes. I'm not shooting no more hens. Because the hens are just taking up everything. There's so many hens. I'm shooting drakes. Because there are no hens, only drakes. Please be a drake. My two hens, really? Hello, I can see you. My god. There sound like these patrol ducks in. And then if they see something bad, they all just leave. That's a drake mallard. I hate when they're glitched out like that. What? She's glitched out. No, that's annoying because you like. Yes, a drake mallard. Oh, glitched out. Dang it. Whew, hopefully get some more mallards. Slow day for mallards. A bunch of hens. I missed a couple hens. My shot in this game is not very good, but in real life I can shoot pretty well. I shot mallard this year in real life. Ooh. I love duck hunting or any type of hunting. Whew. But I did shoot a pretty nice drake mallard like a month ago. What was my experience? First time actually duck hunting. Like second duck hunting. First time actually shooting a duck. That's a buffalo head. So I'm happy about that. I'm happy about that. Where are you at, ducks? Where you at? Duck, where you at? Come on, ducks, where you at? What the? You come and don't you send no patrol ducks. Well, I guess the turf duck are a little more colorful. But you better send yourself, not some of your like decoy ducks. A couple of drakes. No, that's a big one, 970. Female, leave him. Leave her. Bye-bye. I might have got him. Did I get him? Nope. I would tend to just shot your friend. They are very cool animals. Oh, I impaled him. Feel bad for that, but this video wasn't as exciting as a yak grind, but at least I got to see a couple ducks. And that turf duck male is definitely a very cool duck. We hope you have a good night or day, wherever you are. Bros out!